Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by y plus 1 and s minus 1, number 1. Next, we need to integral for the both sides in here, and they should be like this. So the next one, we need to do this way. So we need to add about negative s. Later that we put about positive s. Next we need to put negative number 1. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. Similar for this one, we need to put about y. Later that we need to minus about y. Next we put negative number 1. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. So for this one, in this situation, we need to create about the factor. So this one we have s multiplied by s minus 1. This one we have s minus number 1. This one we can do another factorization by y. And we have y plus 1. And this one we have y plus 1. So for this one, we have s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. So we have s plus 1 over s minus number 1. This one we can simplify it, and we have y minus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1. So we have the final answer in here. The integral of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 1, that is about s. The next one, that is about ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The next one, we have y squared over 2. Next one, we have negative y. And the last one, we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.